morning, children. Already we completed first lesson fully. Grammar part also over. I think you written everything in the classroom. Okay, ma? Now I am taking the second unit. That lesson is the snake catcher. The snake catcher. Here, the snake catcher, fisherman catches the fish. Like that, here, one man was going to catch fish, snake. So, listen carefully and understand the lesson. Once there was a man in Iraq. Iraq is the name of the place, that is the abroad, Iraq, Iran, like that. There, one man was living. He was a snake catcher. He caught different kinds of snakes and let them dance in the bazaar as it was his livelihood. So those who are catching the snakes, they are keeping in the box. With the help of that, they are making the dance and collecting the money. Like that here also, who was living in the Iraq, that man also catching snakes, different types of the snakes, and getting the money, showing to the people. Then, as the days went on, the days are going on, it became very common to the town people. So when we see once and twice and thrice, again we won't go and see the snakes or whatever may be. No, like that here also. Then these people saw the snake, and again they don't want to go and see the snake. So when they lost the belief, when they lost the interest, what the man was thinking, anyhow these people lost their interest, again I will go and get another type of the snake. Like that he was thinking. They lost interest in those street performance. Hence the snake catcher decided to go into the cold and snowy mountain in search of new kinds of snakes. Where did he go? He went to the cold snowy mountain areas to catch the different types of the snakes. He wanted to display means to show them to the town people and thereby raise a few copper from the large crowd. Oh, anyhow I was going to get the another type of the snake, I'll get more copper from the large crowd. Like that man was thinking. Foolish man that he was, he searched through the snowy mountains. He found a terrible and fierce looking dragon which seemed quite dead from the cold, but it was not in dormant. Dormant means inactive. So when he went and searching different types of the snake in the snowy mountain, he found one. That was the dragon. It was looking very fierce one, and it was not active, it was inactive. Why? Because it was living in the snowy part of the mountain, so it was inactive. It was big and looked attractive in gold yellow color. But it was looking very attractive. Golden color is there, but it was a dormant. But though it was looking very attractive one, the fierce one. So he was thinking, I get more money by showing this dragon. Then he bundled up the cold creature in a cloth and tied it up with a string. So as soon as he found, he put the with one cloth, he make around and tied with the strings. So he was unable to catch them. Like that he was keeping the cloth, and with the strings he was tying the dragon and carried it down to the town. He was dreaming that this mighty dragon, mighty means strong one, so very strength one, strong dragon would change his fate. People would admire his brave act and treat him in a ceremonial way. Oh, he was thinking, all the people will treat me in a ceremonial way, in a festival way, because I brought the dragon. It looks very attractive one. All will see the dragon. I get more money. Like that. That man was dreaming. That was not the real one, that he was dreaming. Then he might get a lot of money so that he could lead a luxurious life. That man wanted to lead a luxurious life by showing dragon to all the people. Like that, he was dreaming. When he reached a bazaar in the town, look, he shouted out to the town, people, look out! I have brought with a great difficulty an untiring search from the mountain. Come and see this terrible and fierce looking dragon. When I killed this dragon. Oh, my dear people, come on, let us see, look at, like that. He was shouting in the bazaar. That means he was given attraction to see the dragon. Okay, ma. So when he was shouting, all will show all will take the attention toward that man. That's why he was shouting to collect the people. The town people who came from far and near looked eagerly at it. They rolled around the dragon. As soon as all the people made round and making the round around the dragon, and the crowd grew so thick that people jostled. Jostled means pushing against one another. Where there is a mob, they want to stand in a queue, no ma. All will pushing one another. They wanted to see first. Like that, they were pushing. Then what happened here? All craning their necks like this. All craning their necks to catch a glimpse. They looking like this. What they're looking? They're looking at the dragon. The glance of the fear and terrible dragon. All people gathered around the dragon. They were pushing one another. They are looking like that only. Why? Because it was looking very terrible one, very attractive one, golden in color. They were really astonished. They were really surprised to see the dragon. They had never seen such a strange creature. Oh, what a terrible one. We never seen this type of the snake before. Like that, they were thinking and talking and observing the dragon. In the town, the sun grew hotter, and by the warmth of its rays. Actually, where did he get, ma? He got from the snowy and frozen mountain. That means the dragon was covered with the snow. Whenever they were watching, suddenly the sun became hotter and giving the warmth. When the sun rays are falling on the dragon, what happened here? When you take the ice cube from the fridge, when you keep outside, what will happen? The snow going to be melted. Like that, the dragon also covered with the snow. When the sun growing hotter and hotter, what happened here? And by the warmth of its rays, the dragon began to emerge. Emerge means going to be melt. The snow is going to melt slowly from its frozen state. It had not been dead, but it's not the dead one. The person didn't kill, because when the dragon was amidst in the snow, when the dragon was covered by the snow, it was looking like a dead one. It was looking like an inactive one, because the snow was very chill, no ma. So it became like this only. As soon as when it came out, the person was thinking, I killed the dragon, but no killing. Then frozen slowly the dragon in the bundle started moving. Soon it burst forth from the cloth. When the person found the dragon in the mountain area, what he did? He put the cloth and tied with the string. Now, when the snow was melting, automatically he was trying to come out from the cloth. The cloth and string that had been tied around it. He was trying to come out. When the dragon was moving like this from the cloth, what happened? Who came there to see the dragon? The town people were filled with the terror on the sight of the fierce dragon. They could not believe what was going on. The snake catcher said that he had killed the dragon. The snake catcher told, I killed the dragon. But what happened here? The dragon didn't die. The dragon, covered with the snow, it was looking like dead one. but he didn't kill. But here, when it was coming out from the cloth, when it was moving, who gathered there? All the people are running with the panic. Panic means with the fear. Why? Because the dragon was looking very fierce one. So when it was moving like that, who gathered there with the fear, they started to run. With the crying, they were crying, they were making the loud noise. The dragon, mighty serpent, that it was devoured. Devoured means it was started to eat all of something. Who gathered there, he started to eat one by one. Then they were running in their way and finding a pillar entwined. Entwined means curled. Entwined means curled. When there was a one pillow, the dragon was curling like this and took one person. He started to eat. Alive the man who thought he had easily captured a terrible and fierce looking dragon. Who brought the dragon? The dragon taken only that person started to eat. Remaining people with the panic, they ran away on their way. So what are the poisonous ones? They never leave their habit. But it is the dragon. But he thought to show to collect the money. But actually he was the snake catcher. Again he went and brought the dragon. So what are the poisonous ones? We should not play. Okay, ma? We should be very careful. We should be far away from them. But that is not the game. That is the foolish thing. So who was living in Iraq? That man paid only foolish thing. So what happened? He died. But he thought he killed the dragon. But the dragon only killed the who caught the dragon. Is this a good mark? Is this a good way to collect the money? So more business is there. But why don't he select? I don't know. But he selected only to show dragon to the people to collect the money. Okay, ma? Have you understood? So what you will do now? All these meanings you write, and whatever the textual meanings also, you write directly in the class. So write first heading and write the meaning. Afterwards, I'll give the notes. Okay, bye.